In this video, we will learn if Moneygram is working today in Australia. Moneygram operates throughout Australia with a network of agent locations in major cities and towns. These agents include retails, convenience stores and financial institutions, where customers can send and receive money transfers, pay bills or purchase money orders. The operating hours for these locations can vary depending on the agent's hours of the day and the week and the specific region that they reside in. It is always good to check directly with your local Moneygram agent for their exact business hours. For those who need a complete transaction outside the normal business hours, Moneygram offers an online service that is available 24/7. This allows customers to send money and manage their transactions online at any time, making it a very convenient option if you're unable to visit a physical location. To ensure you're getting the most up-to-date and accurate information, use the Moneygram location finder on their website to locate a nearby agent and confirm their hours. Additionally, customer support available through the Moneygram website if you need any assistance or have a specific question about their services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.